Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can make passive income online. These steps are very simple and I've tried them, they are all legit. You can see from YouTube that there are a lot of videos that are being uploaded on YouTube talking about how you can make money online, and at the end of the day when you try them, they are all fake. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you a basic way you can make money online. We all know we are in this pandemic where there are a lot of things that are being restructured. There are a lot of ways you can make money online. Things are not moving from the traditional way right now into the internet platform. And most people are looking at this as if it is something that is going to end soon. This epidemic is not going to end soon. So if you are a graduate, if you are a student, if you are a startup owner or a business owner, if you are somebody who already had your opportunity to open your business and you couldn't escape this epidemic before problems start coming up, this is your opportunity now to grab informations, because in this current time we have to use the information we have in order to get a positive result. With this coronavirus situation, we already had the opportunity to learn how to make passive income. Most of the my mentors that have mentored me throughout my years always says that it is not about working hard, but it's about working smart. And today I'm going to show you how you can make money online. It's simple. So if you are just joining my YouTube channel for the first time, or if this is the first time you came across my videos, please place your like, subscribe to my channel. I will be giving you updates on frequent ways on how I generate income. I generate income on a daily basis. My daily basis income ranges from different platforms. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can generate cryptocurrency right now. So let me share my screen and let you know where. Okay, here we go. This is my email address. I just registered on a cloud mining site. I know most of you would have heard about cloud mining, because nowadays Bitcoin has been so huge in the market. It's rising as we talk. Just a few minutes ago, I checked about the price of Bitcoin. It has already risen to about $11,500 and something dollars. So you can see that Bitcoin is coming up again. And there is no possibility of you mining Bitcoin with your laptops or with any other device you have. So the best form I can advise you, that I've been practicing for over 5 years now, is cloud mining. What is cloud mining? Cloud mining is something that is done without you giving out your processing unit or your computer hash power to mine Bitcoin. What you do is you pay certain group of people, certain group of companies that already set up these machines that are running on constant basis. They undergo the maintenance and all mining procedures. All you do is to pay, and they give you a little hash power. They call it hash power per second. They give you hash power, and that hash power is what you paid for. That mining, you can mine different set of cryptocurrencies. This website I'm going to introduce to you, you can use it to mine different set of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to Litecoin to Ethereum and to Dashcoin to Dogecoin, and whatever you wish to mine. So mind you, this site doesn't demand you for any payment. There is no upfront payment. There is nothing, no payment at all. That is why I like this site. It's one of my means where I generate passive income and also cryptocurrency. This site gives you 2,000 gigahertz per second as a hash rate for you to mine Bitcoin for free. And there is a little bit of how would I say, there is a little bit of minimum withdrawal. There's a particular stage you have to mine, and you can withdraw without depositing any amount of money from the beginning. So what you do if you want to register is just to click on the link you see on the video. This is the link. You will get the link at the bottom of my description in my YouTube channel. You click on the link. When you click on the link, it directs you to a new site. It directs you to the site page. So from here, yes, it is Bitland. Yes, When you click on this, you have, when you click on my link, you are going to have 2000 hash power. And at this point, if you have not registered, you have to click on the registration button. When you click on the registration button, you have the platform open. You can see they are cloud mining Bitcoins. Cloud mine, not just Bitcoin, they cloud mine several cryptocurrencies. And you can see from here, you'll notice that this cloud miner, this company is located in the US. You can call them for inquiries. They are legit, purely legit, because I have also withdrawn from my from this cloud mining platform for several years now. You can see registration is very simple. You can start with registration form by filling out your email address, your password. Then you click on the robot, that you are not a robot, and complete the session. I already have an account. So, and you click on what? Registration. So let me walk you through on what they usually talk about, how it works. Look at how it works. Let's see. They say how it works. Okay, it is simple. Register now and get bonuses. You see, after registration, they give you bonuses. After registration, a bonus of 2000 gigahertz per second is accumulated into each user. The random bonus increases power from 5 gigahertz to 50 gigahertz. What that means is every hour you are being given a 5 gigahertz or 50 gigahertz. You can have 25, you can have 30 as a bonus. So to add up to your 2000 gigahertz per second you have. You see? So there's something other they listed here, and it's a secure and easy way to crypto mining. They didn't pay me for any advertisement of this site, but I'm going to tell you that I have tried it and I've seen some really good performances from this site. They really did very well. Make money with Bitland. You see, fill out the registration form, simple registration in which you need to specify the email and password after registration. A bonus of $1, which is equivalent of 2000 gigahertz per second, is accumulated. Then start crypto mining. Click start on the selected cryptocurrency, increase power with investment bonuses, and reinvest. So you can as well put your money in to buy, but I would advise you only put the money you afford to lose. But mine, I started with none. I only registered and it gave me 2000 gigahertz and used my reference link to get it. That is what I'm going to show you later on in this video. Make a profit on your wallet. Withdraw every 15 minutes of mined cryptocurrency with a low commission to your personal wallet. You see, so you can withdraw your cryptocurrency anytime you deem fit. There is no restriction, and this company was founded in 2017, but with the entry to the cloud money market took place in 2018. So you can see how many years they have been in the business. So they are reliable because before the launch, the service accumulated capacity and resources, tested software and hardware. The main office is located in Canada, Ottawa, and the main mining server are located in Iceland and Canada. Choosing benefits you get, look at the benefits you are going to get when you register with my referral link, and also when you make use of their mining system. You can just start up without investing any money on it. So this is the benefit you get: mining Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Tron, and Ether. Recharge replacement with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, Tron, Gigabyte, Ether, Zcash, Perfect Money, and what? Payer. That is what you use in replenishing your account. A random bonus of 5 gigahertz to 50 gigahertz is available depending on the level, from 60 to 5 minutes. So if you are a new user, every 1 hour you can be able to get these bonuses every 1 hour. So referral bonuses of 50 gigahertz every person you refer to register under this platform, under this mining company, you are being given 50 gigahertz per second, or a 10% from the replenishment of the level of one reference. So you can see how many people has registered at, as we speak, 484,041. It's not bad, it's something good. Our bonuses given already, the gigahertz is already about 157 million. 560,772. So withdrawals of the cryptocurrency, you can see what they have withdrawn: 559,433.38. And the power of gigahertz being used in this entire mining, cloud mining, is already 11,652,187,150. So you can see people who have withdrawn, the highest paid users, you can see them here who mined Litecoins. Today they withdrawed. Not long ago they withdrawed. You see another withdrawal 0.12438086. You can see how many Bitcoins they even withdraw. A lot of people are withdrawing Dogecoins, Litecoin. So I already have an account, so I log into my account. There are already contact infos of this company. Their contact infos, you can reach them, you can write them messages, they're all real. So there are different tariffs. In the free plan, you can see, look at my free plan here, 0.5% per day. Registration bonus of $1, which is the 2000 gigahertz. Bonus every 60 minutes, which is what I'm telling you about. They give you the gigahertz. Referral bonuses, they give you free online chat. They have the support services. So the difference between the free and the economy and the basic is just the percentage per day you receive and the amount of bonuses you take in minutes. Because for the free is 60, for the economy is 50, for the basic it is what? 40. They even have advanced businesses and business plus. So premium and premium plus they also have. So you can see for every 5 minutes you have bonuses, for every 10 minutes you have bonuses. So it all depends on you and what you want. So you log in into the account. I want to log into my account. I already have my account registered. So I log in. Yes, I'm successfully logged in into my account. And at this point, I'm mining, cloud mining. I'm already cloud mining Litecoin. I've already gotten to a stage of 0.0035360. So at this point, I was given 2,000 free gigahertz, but I had a bonus of 66.90. So let's get to the bonus. At this point, you see the mining platform where you can mine different currencies. Here we have the Litecoin. The other point, you have the SDT, TRX, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. They only have 5 cryptocurrencies. You can see the best are listed here: Litecoin, Bitcoin, and whatever cryptocurrency you can mine. So I decided to mine Litecoin at the point of time. So for partnership, you can see what you're going to get. When registering your preferred reference, you have 50 gigahertz. So please don't forget about my reference link. Click on my reference link and get the bonuses. We both win. It doesn't depend. It doesn't matter what processes. Just click on the link and you get the advantages. So let's click on the bonuses. Bonuses here is simple. You can see I have not collected my bonus of today. For every hour they give me bonuses. I have already collected a few minutes ago, 25.8, 29.8 or so, and 7. So let's click and see what it will give me. Okay, I've already gotten a new bonus. Okay, I just collected 10.97 gigahertz together with what I have. So I'm going to wait for an hour for me to be able to get an extra. So you can do this while your mining is going on. You can even switch off your computer. You don't have to log in. You just have to switch off your computer and everything will be going as planned. Mining in cloud. You can see it increases from 2066 that I have, right, to 2077. The more powers, the more hashing powers you have, the more speed and mining your coins will grow. So withdrawal, let's go to the withdrawal because that is very important. You can see crediting usually takes from 10 to 6 hours. Okay, so let's see. Withdraw, you can withdraw. Okay, you can withdraw the coins that you already mined. But what do they say here? The minimum withdrawal amount for any cryptocurrency should be 0.033. That is for Litecoin, 0.0331702 Litecoin, and 20 USD, and 200 TRX, and 0.005 Bitcoin. That is for the free membership. For free membership, this is your minimum. But if you pay or you upgrade, you can be able to withdraw any amount at any time you want to. So I'm also mining on free. So I have to stay on that free till I get to this exact amount, to 0.03317202. Then I will withdraw. I already withdraw for different a different platform because I have withdraw on this. This will be the third time I'm going to withdraw. So I'm still mining until I get to this point. Or you can reinvest your mining using this link that is being installed here. You invest it to get hash power. You can reinvest this button. You click on it. You invest whatever you have mined. You invest it back into the power, so you can have more power to mine. So that is it. Please don't forget, click on the reference link that I have, https://bitland pro slash referral link. My referral link will be written on the description below. Please click on it and stay blessed, because I think it's teacher time 6-9. The best form you can make money right now is in cryptocurrency. I think it's cloud mining. This is very profitable, and I've been doing it for the past 5 years. I've seen results from it. So you have a nice day and remain blessed.